Hello, welcome back to the channel. In this episode, we finally do stage 3 of the Honda Monkey Bike to beat the Sidekick. Cue the intro. Well, it's finally here. Stage 3, the final piece in the puzzle to make the Honda Monkey Bike into a race bike to beat the Sidekick's Vespa. Now, I've been waiting a long time because the air intake, the race air intake, has been coming via camel post from Thailand, and it's been taking an incredible amount of time. But it arrived this morning in a box. I ripped it open with sheer happiness and joy to find this. And it's missing something, unfortunately. Every other one that I've seen that's being sold has a place to put the sensor, and that's the air temperature sensor. And this one hasn't got one. And I was like, oh, it must be missing a part. So I contacted the seller and I turned and said to them, where am I supposed to put the sensor? And they just put, no room for the sensor, back as a reply. What a joke. But anyway, I've basically decided that we're still going to put this on, and we're probably going to have to find a way of fitting the sensor somewhere on this. And of course, I'll do an 11 out of 10 job. And for any reason it doesn't work, I of course will not ring the Sidekick so he can come and rescue me and do some kind of engineering magic to make this happen. But now, apparently, by changing this, we will add 1 brake horsepower to the Monkey. So of course, we've already done the exhaust, we have already done the sprockets, we're probably already at 1 zillion brake horsepower, but we're going to add 1 more. So the Honda Monkey Bike, as standard, has just under 9 brake horsepower. So potentially now we might even get to 10. So I'm dead excited by it. So the plan of it is to see what the performance difference is to the bike, and I'm looking forward to it. Last time, and this is on stage 2, so doing the exhaust and also doing the sprockets, we managed to get a 67 to 68 miles per hour on the clock. Now I'm hoping that we're going to get at least 70 on the clock once we replace this part. I just need to point out, because we had a few comments from a few trolls and a few angry people saying that the speedo on the Honda Monkey Bike is now out. I should re-digitally program it and GPS it and prove to everybody what the speeds are. But it's a bit of fun and I'm having a bit of a giggle. So at the end of the day, all I want to see is that clock say I'm doing 70 miles per hour, because that would be awesome. And it's that simple. I might in the future hook up some GPS device and clock the speeds and get a whole bunch of scientists and astrophysicists and people like this all on board. But the reality of it is, I'm having a giggle. Anyway, so what we're going to do is we'll play a bit of the pre-video of getting to the whole 67 to 68 miles per hour when we finish stage 2. We are going to install the air intake, probably budget an 11 out of 10 job, and we're going to see how much faster we can get out of the bike, and fingers crossed it's seriously going to be an increase and I will feel the rocket of the bike flying down the road. But anyway, let me put on my special gloves and start doing that real technical thing of unbolting stuff and making all this happen. Miles an hour, I'm properly tucked in. I'm as tight as an unscrutch. We're going for it at 63. This was its top speed before. 64, we went up already. 65. 65 miles an hour. Oh, ho, ho. 65, 66. 67. 67, 68, almost it touched then. Oh, 67, 68. Loving it. Well, here is the old airbox. As you can see, it is absolutely huge and reasonably ugly. So we're going to take this off and obviously replace it with this. This will sit out the back and look really funky and sporty. That's the plan. There shouldn't be too many bolts. Take this off and it should be quite forward. So we're going to speed up the footage, get this whipped off, get this bad boy put into place. Of course, before doing any kind of work, make sure you put on these blue gloves, because they make it look like you know what you're doing. Okay, so after professionally taking off the airbox, you should never ever drink beer or anything like that while you're doing a job like this, because it could obviously affect your mental state and you might end up doing some kind of damage. So whatever you do, never drink beer, okay? Oh, it tastes so good. Right, let's put on this Thailand race air filter and see how we do.
To be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my hair down if I won. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your bars, beauty queens without no gloves. You can do better, I dare you.
Okay, so the airbox is off, as you can see. It is huge and massive, and it weighs quite a bit actually, where the new air filter's now on. And to be honest, yet again, it is probably not the best fit in the world. It seems to be on reasonably sturdy. If it comes off, obviously it's going to need to be replaced. I've had to cut the pipe, slightly bend it, not a perfect job again. And then the actual air temperature sensor, I've used a piece of pipe off the back of this to give it some kind of cover, and clipped it and bolted it, well, zip tied it right at the back underneath here. So if it chucks up an engine code, it quite clearly, this needs to be replaced. But I'm going to give it a go, see what happens, and see how it runs. Obviously, if any problems, like I said, I'm going to end up having to change this fantastic, obviously hugely not expensive Thailand piece of poo. But anyway, they say it does this 10, brake horsepower now, because we've gained at least 1. Plus we've done the exhaust, it's probably more. There's only one last thing to do. Let's see if it's given us any increase or if it's just completely killed the bike. Let's find out. Okay, as always, we're going to come off this roundabout and we're going to floor it. We'll see how fast it will go. Let's tuck in. Got 67, 68 on the way back. On the way here, it's got some slight uphills. Let's see how it does though. Tucking in still. Bump, there's the 60. 63. 63. 63. 66. Oh look, slowing down now. Too much pie, boy. Yeah, I mean it's holding pretty much the same as last time. 64. Right, this is the way back now. This is it. This is the final test. Can we at least hold 68? Would be good. We literally just touched, I believed it last time when we just did the sprockets. Let's try it. Yes, we're going in for full tucking in power. I am literally strapping myself to the tank right now to give the most I could possibly give. 59, 60. Come on, Synergy. 62. Please! Please! 64! 64! Come on! 64! Come on! 64, 65! I'm not tucking anymore! I would be kissing the tank! Oh, 66! Come on! 67! Come on, boy, come on! Come on! Come on! Come on, 67! It's holding 668! Yes, come on, give me one more! Just one more, please! 69! 70! 670! 71! 71! 71! Oh my giddy days! We got 71! 71! Oh! 71, man. Woo! Yes, we made it. I wanted 70 and we made 71. Oh, I'm a happy man. Just to say it. 71 on that speedo. Oh yes, 71. Well done, little monkey. Well done, little monkey. You absolute legend. Well, we did it. We did it. We got 71 miles per hour. We actually did 1 mile per hour more than I wanted to. And that's stage 3 complete. And do you know what? I'm just glad that we managed to get that 70 miles per hour on that speedo, because that's what we've been trying to achieve and that's what we've been working towards. And hopefully now, when we race the Monkey against the Vespa, the Monkey will show the Vespa the true power of the race machine it's become, and we will win that next challenge. We're going to be putting both bikes in another race. We're going to be racing to deliver pizza and get back to a certain secret location, and hopefully the helmet head title, the winner, the champion, will be back, and I'll be high-fiving everybody that I see in the street. And of course, I really hope you enjoyed that. You can see that I completely bodged that. I mean, I completely professionally put that air filter on, and there's no chance it's going to come flinging off at any point and my bike's going to go into a big ball of flames, because I did an 11 out of 10 job. I'm going to buy a fire extinguisher. Anyway, at the end of the day, we've done it. I'm dead happy. I really, really am. So we're going to hopefully do another video a little bit more on the Monkey now I've done all those bits. We'll take it a little bit further. We'll get the drone up. We'll try and get some action, some scenic shots, and hopefully some more green laning and stuff, and see what the power of this bike's now become, if I can handle that rocket of a Monkey. So there you go, guys. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, please hit that subscribe button now. Please give it a thumbs up, and please hit the notification button so you don't miss another episode. It's just a fun, tongue-in-cheek channel, and I really appreciate all of my subscribers, all of the awesome comments, and of course the patrons. These guys are the ones that help support this channel. If you're interested in becoming a supporter of the Helmet Head channel, please click that link. You get your names in the credits, and you'll also get to see the videos first. There's loads of other stuff, but just check that out, because you get free stuff and all sorts if you want to. And then the other side of it is there's the Helmet Head merchandise shop. There's a link for that down below. T-shirts, amazing hoodies that make you look like a gangster, and of course the world famous Helmet Head mug that makes everything taste a million times better, not proven guaranteed, is all available. Just click on that link. So right now, all I can say is yes, we did it. And of course, the 3 most important things in life: eat pie, ride motorcycles, and be happy. I will see you in the next Helmet Head adventure. Bye bye for now.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much